YouTube. I'm just tweaking out the rest of this shit here. Let's see. I already made a video of this, but I'm just going to do it on video anyway, just for the hell of it. Just because. Train's here. There's a train coming. There's a train coming. Basically got it. Come on, dude. Watch your fingers. Just gotta watch how this thing bends. So you're gonna bend this out. This one down. If you don't bend it right, it won't bend right either. So, gotta kind of. There's my hammer. See, it's got to be bent a little more that way. This side's not bending right. See, this one's bending one way, the other one's bending the other way, so I gotta somehow bend it back up, not down. It's pissing me off. This one is bending. What the hell? Probably all listen to me breathe right now. So this one should bend back this way. I have to cut this out of here. There we go. Bending this part. Kind of returns it to normal. See? It's almost level now. It's got a little bit of offness to it. Gotta bend it some more. Maybe the damn thing wasn't even straight to begin with. That's another possibility. But then, the thing wasn't even straight. You know what? Freddy Kruger glove. Don't think anybody's gonna complain if it's. Yeah, I think it's crooked. Yeah, I think the bottom part's corrupted. Yeah, I gotta grind off the bottom a little, straighten it out. Nobody's gonna care. Take off a little bit of boom boom at the bottom. Ta-da! Next one. I should do it on that. 8 minutes of panel beating.